Right, so guys, for those who's already mastered the hip hinge with bilateral, both leg, we're going to go into single leg work. Okay, go back into your basic stance. Okay, heels move back. Now my left leg is going to be the working leg. Okay, hands on my hip. I'm going to use my left leg and left hamstring the hip back, go into the same hip hinge. Okay, controlling my hamstring and glute on my left side. Okay, what I don't want to see is this, using your left leg and you're starting to rotate to compensate through this motion. This is not what we're after. What we're after, point bank, bum back, hip, find that hamstring, bringing it back up.